Hi Cancer, welcome to another love reading of yours. This is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. It is a general reading, guys. This may or may not resonate with every Cancer watching this video. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to shoot love readings. I did take a little break and I don't know, I was just missing you guys. So I'm back. This is for Cancers in love. Again, general reading, so it may or may not resonate with every Cancer watching this video. Time is fluid, as you know. You could have dealt with this energy or will be dealing with in the near future. Some of the energies of the cards can be flipped throughout the spread, so feel free to switch those energies, vice versa. And if you do need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down below. This is for my Cancers in love. What is the current situation for Cancers in love, please? What can you tell me about what is Cancer going on in love? What is the sign of Cancer going? What is the current situation for my Cancers in love? Shit. Ace of Wands, damn. What is going on Cancer's mind? Cancer, are you guys talking or is there an issue with communication? I just can't talk. Retrograde? Is it Mercury retrograde? What is going on this person's mind? What is going on Cancer's mind regarding the person they're dealing with? Okay, two cards wanted to come out, but I'm not going to take them. I'll still say them. Seven of Swords in reverse and the Four of Cups. So someone wants to return back to you, but they're very scared that they'll probably be rejected. Someone's fearing rejection. Someone wants to return back to you. Cancer, you want to return to someone. Okay, what is going on Cancer's mind? What is going on Cancer's mind? Page of Swords, yep. Stalking someone. What is going on this other person's mind that Cancer is dealing with? What is going on this other person's mind? Knight of Wands, they're rushing in. You're stalking. They want a brand new beginning with you. A lot of passion. Brand new beginning, passionate new beginning, sexual energy, but a lot of passion, okay? Good chemistry between you guys. What is Cancer feeling for this person? Four of Pentacles, you're holding back. What is this person feeling for Cancer? King of Pentacles in reverse, and they're unstable right now. They're lacking commitment, okay? Knight of Wands is anyways someone who lacks commitment, okay? They're like to in and out, in and out, in and out, okay? Someone you can't control, someone you can't tie down, okay? That's their energy. They're coming in like that. They're very passionate about you. They want this new beginning with you. You, on the other hand, are watching them, spying, looking at them from a distance, okay? You're holding back your heart. This person could have hurt you in the past, okay? Or this person was just lacking commitment also is what I'm getting. This person is probably very, very focused on their work, career, goals, okay? What is the connecting energy for Cancer and the person they're dealing with? The Chariot, moving forward. Let's see. What is Cancer's attitude towards the person and or the situation? What is Cancer's attitude towards this person and or the situation? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. You're also focused on, like you're focused, I'm focused. You don't give a shit, I don't give a shit. That's your attitude, Cancer. What is this person's attitude towards Cancer and or the situation? Eight of Swords in reverse. They're coming back to their senses. This person could be overanalyzing, overthinking a situation, okay? And that's why probably this person was in their head for a very long time, okay? They're getting out of it. They probably had a splash of cold water. Probably you give up on this person, or you just completely stopped talking, or you broke up because we have the Ace of Wands. You're just starting from scratch. It's like a clean slate. What is the likely outcome between Cancer and the person they're dealing with? One card, baby, one card. Five of Cups, disappointment, regret, remorse, guilt. Let's see. What is the Ace of Wands? Why is this Ace of Wands as the current situation? The Moon. A lot of fear of the unknown. What is the Moon? There's a lot of uncertainty between you guys, okay? Again, because there's lack of communication, because you guys are not talking, or because you both, or probably you, Cancer with the Four of Pentacles here, you're holding back. You're blocking your heart chakra. You're not ready to open up. You're being very stubborn, very conservative with your feelings, and you're just not ready to open up. There. Why is the moon here? This is unknown energy. You have no clue about what's going on. What is the moon here? Or this is a lot of fear, stress, anxiety around this situation, or around, there's a lot of fear, stress, anxiety around this new beginning. What is the moon here? Ten of Swords, because someone feels backstabbed, betrayed, or someone's just put an end to the bullshit. Okay, someone feels like a victim also is what I'm getting. But I'm feeling a lot of unknown energy. Okay, I'm feeling a lot of fear. This is all coming from fear, because of someone has the fear of the unknown. Okay, and this all has to do with a new beginning here, because in the past year you could have ended things with this person. Okay, you could have felt very backstabbed and betrayed, and you ended things with this person, because this was a very in and out energy. Like I said, someone very non-committal, and someone who's just not looking for anything long term. Okay, there was a lot of passion, there still is chemistry, but again, I don't think you're looking for chemistry. You're looking for something stable, something grounded. What is the Page of Swords? The Fool in reverse. Probably this person has come in to communicate with you, or this person wants to communicate with you, or you want to, right? But with the Fool in reverse here, I feel that you're not interested right now. You're not wanting to take a risk with this person right now, or you have huge trust issues with this person, because this person could have really screwed you over. Why is the Fool in reverse? You have trust issues with this person. Again, Four of Pentacles, another trust issues. Nine of Cups. This person, again, I think you're focused. Either you're focusing on your own happiness. Okay, it's like, you know what? I've done enough in this relationship. I'm focusing on my happiness. Or, you know, this person is your wish fulfillment. Okay, but you're just not ready to take a risk. They're like your ultimate wish fulfillment. Okay, Four of Swords in reverse. You're reaching that point of exhaustion, or you're wanting to come out of isolation and talk, you or them. But yeah, you're watching, but you're not ready to take a risk with this person. Okay, this person does make you very, very, very happy. Okay, but again, when it comes to talk, see, that's why you're holding back, right? With the Page of Swords here, you're not ready to communicate. You're being very defensive. It's like you're holding back communication. You're not wanting, you have so much to say, but you don't want to. You're just looking at them from a distance, because you think this person is, it's risky business, you know, being with this person. I won't blame you. The Knight of Wands is someone like that. Very flighty, you know. Why is the Knight of Wands here? Why is the Knight of Wands here? Strength. This person is restraining themselves with the Strength here. They're holding back. Why is the Strength here? Why are they holding back? Why are they holding? Ten of Cups in reverse. Two things. Either this person knows, I mean, you know, they consider you as their happily ever after, as their end all be all. Okay, but they're holding back from you. Okay, with the Knight of Wands here, this person is extremely passionate about you. They want to come in and communicate with you. But with the Ten of Cups in reverse, either you guys have broken up. Again, there has been a breakup. Okay, so I feel this was a relationship that once made both of you very, very happy, but right now you guys are apart. You guys are not feeling this connection. Could be that this person's not feeling the connection. Okay, and that's why they're holding back. They're trying to tame the situation. They're trying to get control over their inner strength. They're trying to control the situation by holding back, because with the Knight of Wands, this person could rush in like yesterday. Okay, or there's family issues, there's family conflict, work and family conflict, or there's a family situation that's draining them out, whatever. Okay, why is the Four of Pentacles here? This person could be holding back because of family. Again, I don't know why I said that, but I just said that. It's a very general reading, guys, so just, it won't apply to everyone. Why is the Four of Pentacles? Why are you the Four of Pentacles? Eight of Pentacles. You're very focused on your work. What is the Eight of Pentacles? Actually, give me one more card for the Four of Pentacles. World in reverse. You don't want things to end with this person, or you just feel there's unfinished business between this person and you. Okay, but right now your choice is to work on yourself, to be very committed to your work, to be committed to yourself, work on self-love is what I'm getting. Okay, and you feel the best thing right now to do is, yes, there has been an incomplete cycle between you guys. Okay, things are stuck and stagnant, but you feel the best thing is to hold back from this person, protect your heart, and focus on your work, which you're doing anyways with the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Why is this person the King of Pentacles in reverse? In your attitude is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, which means that you're focused on your work. In their emotions, they're the King of Pentacles in reverse, which means that they're non-committal, they're holding back, okay, from offering you any kind of stability. Why is the King of Pentacles in reverse? Seven of Wands in reverse. This person's, what is the Seven of Wands in reverse? This person definitely wants to get their guards down, okay? If they had their guards up in the past, if they were very defensive, okay, they didn't let you in, they didn't let you through their heart, and they had trust issues, whatever, they were just standing by what they thought was right, okay? I'm just getting very defensive and very protecting about themselves. They're letting it let it go, okay? They're ready to let it go. And with the Six of Swords here, this person wants a peaceful resolution. Or it could also be that this person is wanting to move on, but I'm not getting move on. It could be, okay? Maybe this person is no longer wanting to fight for this connection, but I'm not getting a commitment from this side, okay? I'm getting the person out here, Cancer, if this is you, you're hurt. And this person is probably, you know, I mean, they realize that the entire situation has gone down, okay? They're no longer wanting to put up a fight, okay? They're no longer wanting to keep their guards up. They want to come towards you. Six of Swords. They want to move towards you, but they want peace of mind. They want clarity. They want to move forward with clarity is what I'm getting, okay? But I don't think there's communication between you guys. Why is the Chariot here as the connecting energy? Page of Wands in reverse. You're both wanting to move on because there's a lack of communication. There's you guys are losing the mojo. You need to get that mojo back, okay, in order for you to communicate. Again, there's no communication from both the sides. This person wants to with the Knight of Wands. Oh yeah, they want to. But again, they're holding themselves back. They're trying to tame their emotions, okay, when it comes to you. They're completely broken with the Ten of Cups in reverse here. And you have 9 of Cups, 10 of Cups here. I'm getting, you know, Cancer, that you're very focused on yourself. It's like, whatever makes me happy, I'm gonna do that. Or again, yeah, that is my wish fulfillment, but if it's not working out, it's not working out, you know. And this person is more like, I think I need to make a move. I need to come towards Cancer and make things right. But again, they're holding back. They're restraining themselves. Something's taking a lot of strength and stamina within them to hold back from you. Again, all they want in their emotions is like, you know, they want to, they just want to let their guards down and move probably towards a more peaceful resolution, towards more calmer waters, okay? Why is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse? Why is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse? You could be dealing with someone who's very materialistic also, okay? The Hermit. You're isolating yourself, or you just feel the need to close off from this person and just be on your own. Why is the Hermit here? You want a lot of answers, Cancer. You need to know what, when, where, how, why. And in order for you to do that, I feel you want to go into your shell and you just don't want to be disturbed. You just want to stay away from this person. Again, I'm getting no communication from you, ghosting this person. What is the Hermit? What is the Hermit? Or it could also mean that this person has ghosted you and you chose to focus on your money now. What is the Hermit? Death. You want change, you want transformation, okay? You want something to change between you guys with the Death here. I'm not getting you ending things with this person, okay? I'm just feeling that you're looking for this huge change, okay? And with the Hermit here, you feel the need to pull away and work on yourself because you're looking for a transformation, you're looking for a rebirth, you're waiting for this entire situation to turn around for the good. You're wanting for the old to die and for the new to come in, okay? You could also be wanting this person to like completely change and transform themselves and come towards you, okay? And that's why with the Hermit here, you feel the need to pull away, to take a step back. This person's attitude, 8 of Swords in reverse. Okay, it just wanted to come out. 7 of Cups. This person could have been very, very confused. Why is the 7 of Cups here? Or they're just the Devil. I think this person wants a reconciliation with you. Okay, I think they do. This person's coming out of their head. With the 7 of Cups here, this person is probably very confused about which is the right approach to make towards you. And with the Devil here, I feel that this person feels very tied and restricted towards you. But again, could be obsession. This person's very obsessed with you. Or they have a negative habit, or they're just going through a negative pattern. Okay, repeating a negative pattern. But these can be thoughts, people, places, anything that you're very, very obsessed with. Or something that's just having a negative influence on you. Okay. Yeah, they're getting out of their way for sure. But again, with the devil here, there's some kind of restriction. Okay, 7 of Cups. I'm getting, they probably have too much on their plate, or they're just plain confused. Too many options. Options does not mean too many options that they have to choose from, in the sense that too many girls or too many guys to choose from. I'm getting more like, oh my god, like which is the right way? Every cup looks shiny to them. Every cup looks shiny to them. They don't know which is the right approach. And with the devil here, I think it is a thought. It's that uh, toxicity that they're going through. Okay, it's very toxic. What is the 5 of Cups? Why is this a likely outcome? 4 of Swords. See, 3 of Swords in reverse. Again, they definitely want a reconciliation, okay? With the 5 of Cups here, they haven't moved on. They're still crying over spilt milk. But with the 4 of Swords, this person's just not doing anything about it. I think, again, there's going to be, if there isn't, I mean, if there is communication going on, I mean, I'm getting, there is going to be a period of no communication between you guys, okay? If you're not already going through it, you will. But with the 3 of Swords in reverse here, I feel you're both trying to heal from this situation. You're both very, very hurt. And with the 4 of Swords here, I feel you're both taking a time out. You're both wanting to heal. You're both wanting to take a break and just completely retreat from this connection, okay? Because there's too much crying over spilt milk, okay? You're in regret. They're in regret. I mean, they've got the devil on their side, okay? So, yeah. Very toxic in their attitude. There's something that's holding them back. There's something that's restricting them from moving forward towards you. Yeah. So that's what I have for you, Cancer. I hope this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.